Here is how to access subscription list on Onlyfans. Hello everyone, welcome back to app tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how you can access your subscription list on Onlyfans. So let's start. First of all, open Onlyfans and log into your account. You can use either the website or the app version of the platform. After you have logged into your Onlyfans account, you'll come to the home screen like this. Now, in order to access your subscription list, simply tap on the profile icon that you can see on the bottom right. After you tap on it, you'll find a screen like this. Now, in order to view your subscription list, tap on this collections option that you can see on the screen. After that, you'll come to a page like this. Now, in order to see the subscription list of your fans, simply tap on fans. Then after, it will show you a list of all the fans that have subscribed to your account. It will be classified as to active subscriptions, expired and then restricted. So in this way, you can easily access subscription list on Onlyfans. That's it for the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel for further similar videos and drop a like if you found this helpful.